Welcome to Arusak's channel. I love stuffed animals. They're so cute. Okay, so he's gonna keep me company right there. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Please be sure to subscribe. My name is Arusak and I upload videos at least 3 times a week, and I like to do beauty related videos, also vlogs and reviews of different makeup products on my channel. So welcome, hope you stay, hope you become part of the Arusak family. And today I'm actually going to do a review on the March Boxycharm box. I ended up getting this box yesterday in the mail. I quickly opened it, but I haven't used any of the products, so we're going to do a first impressions. We'll see how the products work on my face. I put foundation and some bronzer. That's why I opened it, to figure out what was in here so that we can go ahead and do a first impressions of the products that are in here as well, and I'll let you guys know how they work and you'll be able to see it too. So yeah, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like, and also comment. Let me know if you're a Boxycharm subscriber, and if you're not, you're missing out. So you definitely want to join. I'll make sure to link my referral link down below. I don't make any money off of it at all, but if you're interested in joining, you can use my referral link, or you can always go to boxycharm.com. So let's get into this box. The first comment I do have to say is, oh my god, this box is like so full. For those of you that are wondering, my box weighs 0.9 pounds. And one comment I do have about this month's box is I'm pretty amazed at how full it is. I mean, of course they put a foam in there and everything, but usually I'm able to close it, but it is full. So let's break into it and let's see what's inside. So first thing is, they always give you this card. This month's theme is Bae-Cation, so every month they have a theme. Give you a card in the back that has the information about the different products that you got and how to use it and what the MSRP is, which is pretty cool. It definitely helps, especially if it's something new that you're not familiar with using. First thing I got is this Pretty Vulgar blush. It's in the color Make Them Blush. I'll make sure to do a swatch of it. But this retails for, let's see, $26. It's really pretty. It's nice. I love the packaging. The packaging is really pretty. So, and it's pretty pigmented. I mean, I definitely like dug in there. So, I mean, obviously when you do use the blush, you're not going to dig your finger in there, but I definitely dug my finger in there. So we'll see how it looks on my cheeks, but I'll put that on after we go through the rest of the products. The next thing I got is this 3-eye gel pack, and this retails for $10. It's by South Main Beauty, and apparently it says it's under eye gels that are great for an easy mask without the cleanup, and they soften and moisturize and ensure that you look rested and refreshed. So I'll definitely try these. I'll make sure to put a comment down below in the description to let you know what I thought about it and if I liked it, but I'm not going to do it right now because I do have my foundation on and everything, and it's gonna defeat the purpose if I put it on top of what I have on there. So this one, stay tuned, or definitely read the description. The next item I got is the Double Decker mascara. This is by Butter London, and this retails for $20. And it says, get 200% thicker lashes in just 1 coat and 314 increase in lash curl. So the next item we got in the box is this Vintage Cosmetics Company Smoky Eye Brush Set. So it comes with 3 brushes apparently, and it is numbered. That's kind of cool. It's numbered. It's a step 1 for the money, step 2 for the shadows, step 3 go girl go. The brush set retails for $23.15. But let's open this up. I'll make sure to use these as well. It has a sticker. Oh, it's so hard to open up this package. Look at that. There we go. Okay, so each one's in its own little plastic. Let's pull them out. I definitely like getting brushes. I mean, I have a ton of brushes. I mean, here, I have like a ton. And then I have more in like a drawer. But, you know, I always love brushes and Brushes get dirty so easily, but these brushes look actually pretty good. They feel soft, kind of dense. This one's pretty cool for under the eye. And then this one is cool also. Yeah, they actually seem pretty cool. So we'll definitely try these out. And then last but not least, we ended up getting this makeup palette. It is a Boxycharm in collaboration with Pure makeup palette. And these are the colors. I'll definitely swatch them for you, but they look really pretty actually. And this palette retails for $36. So we're gonna have some fun creating a look with this, but I just gotta figure out what am I gonna come up with. We'll see. So I went ahead and swatched the colors on my arm. The first one is Perfect. The next one is Naked. The next one is Belle. The next one is Squad. The next one is Charmer. The next one is Alliance. Then Bae. Then ATL. Then Duet. Then Mia. Then BFF. And then Boxy Black. When I did swatch these, the Duet and BFF, the two mattes that are in there, the darker mattes, they did swatch a little chalky. So we'll see how they apply if I do decide to use them. But the other colors look beautiful. The shimmers are really nice. And I'm looking forward to using it. Let's have some fun with it. So nice. Pretty cool. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and take the hair away from my face so we can get into doing the eyes. And we'll use these antlers. And in case you guys are wondering, I'm wearing the Huda Beauty foundation. I am doing a review on that as well. So that will probably be coming out after this one, so make sure you subscribe, and the next video will be the Huda Beauty review of the foundation. So let's go ahead and apply some eyeshadow to my face. I have a blush, mascara, and then eyeshadow, and we'll also use the brushes that came with the box so we could see how we like the items. I'm going to use the Perfect color right here to set the base, or to set everything. And let's go ahead and use this big fluffy brush, which is the step 2 for the shadow. I'm breaking the rules. Well, not really, there's no rules with makeup, but I know there's a step 1, step 2, step 3. Screw it. Let's go ahead and just use step 2 because I like this brush to kind of set everything around my face. And I'm going to go ahead and use the mirror that's on here. Definitely powdery. Whoa, whew, you'll see. It's definitely powdery shadows, but I don't have a problem with the powder, honestly. It doesn't really bother me. As long as I get pigment out of the shadows, not too worried about it. I always dust it off. I always dust it off, so I'm not too worried about it. So now let's go with a transition shade. I'm going to go ahead and use Naked, which is right here. And I'm going to use that same brush. I feel like it's like... I like how angled this brush is. Definitely blends things, which is good. I like this color though. I think it's actually pretty pretty. Pretty. Okay. The words I say. I kind of like it. I don't know. I think it's showing up, but I really like it. I think it's really pretty. It does look nice. I'm going to scoot in a little bit closer. Closer to me. All right. Let's go ahead and use Bae. We're going to use Bae, which is this one right here. And I'm going to use step 1, the brush, step 1 for the money. And we're going to put this on my lid. Okay, I don't like the way this brush is applying it. Let's try to wet it and see if that makes a difference. Look at that fallout, man. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah, no, I don't like that. I have like massive fallout under my eyes and I'm going to get all messed up. All right. All right. Now I look like a weirdo. Come on. Oh, I like the pink, but I'm just going to add a little bit more to it. not too happy. I'm not sure if it's the brushes or if it's the shadows. I usually don't get that much fallout. So, okay. So we got some pink on. Let's go ahead and use that darker color. Step 2. So I've used step 1 and step 2. Step 3 I want to use for under my eye since it is more of a denser brush. So let me grab one of my own brushes so that we can use that for the corner. I also got this in Boxycharm. It's by Modern Minerals. You're Gorgeous. Let's go ahead and dig into that darker color. This is the color ATL, which is right here. Try to come up with some sort of a look. I'm gonna bring it out. Since we have the shadow shields, we'll have some fun with it. Colors are nice, but I'm not too pleased with the formula. See, like, even with this, it applied kind of patchy. I'm gonna go ahead and use that step 2 brush, and let's just try to see if we can blend it out. I'm gonna go back into the Naked color so that we can, oh my god, I'm just bringing it up, might as well. Just for the heck of it, let's go ahead and use this black right here, and we're gonna try to just use it kind of as like an eyeliner. We'll see how pigmented it is. The black is kind of cool. I mean, I like the pigmentation of the black. It has a little bit of shimmer on it, which is kind of cool, but I do like the pigmentation of the black. So the black is good. We're gonna use this Mia color, this blue color. I'm gonna leave the shadow shield on just so it blocks it because this has major fallout. It's even getting in my eyeball. Not cool. Let's go ahead and highlight with Charmer. Oh no, it's a pretty color. It is really nice. Rip these off. Oh, shoot. I like the colors, I like the blue, but there's definitely a lot of fallout with the shades that I used in here. They are really pretty, but there is a lot of fallout. So let's go ahead and use the blush. Yeah, I'm really gonna look a little weird. My blush brush, I'm gonna use my Moda Pro brush in honor of Boxycharm. I also got this brush from my Boxycharm box a while back. And we're just gonna go, I'm gonna lightly tap. Whoa, that thing is pigmented. Okay, I mean, I definitely wouldn't use this blush with this look, probably not. It is very pink, it's very pigmented. Be very careful if you do have this hot pink one. Go in very lightly because it is so easy, it's really pigmented. But yeah, now let's go into lashes. Let's use the double decker. This is a pretty big. It seems like really big, actually. Let's compare it. Yeah, it's a little bit taller. This is my Marc Jacobs one. It is a little bit taller, but I don't know, it just feels bigger. But let's see how good this is. This is what the wand looks like. Seems pretty cool. Wow, that's pretty. I like the mascara though, it's pretty. It does clump a little bit, but it's not bad. I think it just gives it like that volume. It's actually pretty nice. I like it. It's kind of cool. Definitely different look. I don't use these colors too often, but actually I don't really mind it. It is a little bright, but I think it looks nice. So, breakdown of the items. Let's go over that again. I like the palette. It does have a lot of kickback. and it did have a lot of fallout. So if you do use it, make sure you use shadow shields. Bake underneath your eye. The powder kind of helps too, but you could see how much fallout there is. There's a lot of fallout in these shadows, at least the colors that I use. I have to play with the palette a little bit more. I did like this blush. I think it is pretty. It's very pigmented. It's really nice, but I don't know. Maybe special occasions I might use it. I wouldn't use it definitely though with like a bold eye look. I would use it more if maybe I'm going with more of like a neutral eye and I'm trying to bring out my cheeks. I would use this definitely with something else. But mascara, I like it actually. I actually think it's pretty good. I like the way it looks. It didn't irritate my eyes. Didn't really irritate my eyes. It gave me volume, length. It does clump a little bit, but it's not bad. What I do sometimes too is if I feel like it's too clumpy, I have a little brush for my eyelashes that has like combs, and I'll just kind of comb through it to separate it if that's necessary, but I didn't need to do it with this. And then these brushes. Dun, 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 dun. These brushes. I don't know, I have kind of mixed feelings about it. I mean, I think the step 3 one was good. I like the step 2 one. Step 2 and 3 were good. Step 1 for the money. I'm gonna have to use it a little bit more and see if I do like it or not. I think it's a little too dense for some of the shadows, and maybe that's why a lot of it was just falling out. But the other 2 were actually really good. Well, that's pretty much my Boxycharm box. Let me know if you guys subscribe to Boxycharm, and then let me know also, what did you guys get in your box? Did you get the same things I got, or did you get any different variations? Because I think there was a different color blush that was going out. It was more of kind of like a peachy tone, as opposed to, or it was more neutral as opposed to that bright hot pink that I got. Also, I think there were variations of the mascara, so let me know if you guys ended up getting a different kind of mascara. I'm curious. I'm always open to find new mascaras if they're good or not, so keep me posted. And then if you have a video, just link it down below. Let's take a look at it also. I love watching Boxycharm unboxings, and let's support each other too. I'm all for supporting each other. If you're new to this channel and you have a YouTube channel, just link your channel down below. I'll definitely follow you. Let's follow each other and let's support each other, because that's what this is all about. Let's have fun. I love makeup and I love meeting new people and seeing what other people do and getting inspired. So again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel if you're new, or if you're not new and you're not subscribed, make sure you subscribe, and leave me a comment down below. All right, love you guys. Bye. Hello. The next item we got in the Boxycharm box. My nose itches. Shoot. All that powder, man. Sorry, I'm not picking my nose. My nose just itches. Oh, because that is not good. I'm like, get away. Don't. That's that good. Oh, I feel like, I don't like the way it feels. Oh, why do they feel so crappy? I never really use these guys. Like, no joke. Am I putting it on wrong? Maybe. I feel like it's like jabbing my eye. Okay, hold on. Okay, that's a little better.